Hello friends, welcome to Show Me's World, and today I will be making one of my favorite pasta recipe, creamy garlic chicken pesto pasta. This pasta is really so quick and easy to make and is simply delicious. Also friends, before watching this video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for further notifications. At first, in a pan, adding enough water to cook the pasta. In the boiling water, adding the pasta. I have used the spaghetti pasta. You can use any pasta of your choice. And also I added some salt in it. Just follow the instructions which is there in the box of the pasta, and there will be the cook time and how to cook it. So you can see that the pasta is already cooked. I was cooking it for around 10 to 15 minutes. Now it's time for me to run it through a sieve and drain off the water. Thereafter, I will be keeping the pasta aside for further cooking. Now it's time to make the sauce. So adding some olive oil in a hot pan. All the measurements are already there in the description box. Adding some butter. Let the olive oil and the butter melt together. As this is the garlic pesto pasta, so adding some chopped garlic. Cooking the garlic until it turns light golden brown in color. Thereafter, adding the chicken pieces. I have used boneless chicken thighs. You can also use boneless chicken breast, and which I've cut into bite-sized pieces. Cooking them for some time until it turns white in color. Now adding the sliced red bell peppers. Stir everything for a minute or so. I'm adding some salt as per taste. Now for the pesto sauce, I have bought this pack from Costco. It's the Kirkland brand and it's really nice. So using 2 to 4 tablespoons of pesto sauce. I'm doing the cooking in low to medium flame and going to mix the pesto sauce together well with the protein. Thereafter, adding half and half. I have used half and half, which is half cream and half of milk, but if you want, you can use heavy cream. Now it's time to add cheese. I'm using the white sharp cheddar cheese. It's shredded, around half to 1 cup of it. Mix all the ingredients well together. Now it's time to add the pasta, which I've already cooked. Mixing the sauce with the pasta in low to medium flame for 2 minutes. So I'm adding a little bit more of the pesto sauce. I had added 2 tablespoons before and I'm adding 2 more tablespoons right now. Turn off the flame, and yes, the pesto chicken pasta is ready. It's super creamy, cheesy and simply delicious. I just love this pasta recipe because it's super quick and easy. Do try this recipe out and let me know how was it. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel Show Me's World, and see you soon. Until next time with another new recipe. Until then, bye bye.